decide whatever you gotta do to get those ping pong balls to fly out. The three of you get them out the fastest, move on to the next round. One of you has to leave us at this time. We're going to come by and open up the boxes. Whatever you have to do. We're going to open up those boxes there. All right. Fantastic. But of course, the audience is going to need a good view of this. Everybody go ahead and turn it around. Turn it around. That's right. Exactly. Fantastic. Audience, ping pong balls will fly out across the stage. If a ping pong ball comes towards you, just hold on to it. We'll collect it right after the game. We'll wait right out from there. Looking good. We'll be in between you guys and let you know how you're doing, okay? Ready over there, Amber? Here it goes. It starts on the whistle. Ready? 1, 2. Go ahead. Get them out of there. Get them out. Get them out. Come on. Get them out. Time to get the fight going. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Fight it on. Fight it on. Get it back in. Get it right. What we gotta do? Get it out of there.
Go, Brittany.
If you drop onto the ground, Amber has a whole box of Oreo cookies left. We're going to do 45 seconds on the clock. The person who's ended up with more Oreo cookies in their mouth after 45 seconds will be our winner. If you guys are tied, we will move into sudden death, which means next cookie wins. Audience, it's only happened once before. We use up the whole box and no one gets a cookie. If that happens, by your round of applause, we'll judge you as closer, okay? That's the best thing to do. Go ahead and place that cookie on your forehead. If it drops in your lap, pick it up, put it back on your forehead. If it drops in the ground, Amber's got brand new cookies. Here we go. Starts on the whistle. 1, 2. Go ahead. We got 45 seconds on the clock. Small movements. Keep your head back. Thank you so much for playing. I'm Bree for Jordan Big Seal. 1, 2, 3. See ya. Those hips are moving, okay? Get the momentum building. Fly up into the basket. 3 to get it back to the basket and move on. 1 against the Divas. Keep your legs wide. That way there's room for the ball to go. Get her flying on up inside. Here we go. Starts. Got the whistle. Go for it. Let's see how you do.
Come on, Ben. Yeah.
We got 2, we got 3. That's game. Holy smokes, you guys are quick. Watch out over here, Ray.
He took his glasses off.
It does not work if you go horizontal, okay? So just straight up and down, big steps, okay? Alright, looking good. Looking out. 30 seconds it starts on whistle. Try not to lose your balance. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go for it. Let's see you do it. There you go. Halfway there. Keep it going. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna stop it right there. We have 43. Nice score. 34. Oh man. So close. Unfortunately, take a moment. Not only do you get the fabulous Visitor Bucks t-shirt, you get the headache for free as well. Thank you for playing. On 3, 1, 2, 3. See you guys. I'm going to give you a little bit of incentive. Audience, they're going to do about 10 seconds of dancing. You will then judge the better dancing of all those games. The person who wins that's going to get a $5 bonus, okay? So 2 games happening. $5 for the dance-off, $20 for more balloons in the pants. There's an odd number of balloons, but if one pops, you guys could tie. If you tie, the dance-off winner's going to be a tiebreaker winner as well, okay? Get ready to make it happen. Let's see the stuff. 1, 2. Hustle, Ben.
Hustle, Ben. Hurry, Ben. Faster, Ben.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Good.
That's all you gotta do. He has no shame. $5. $5. We're gonna count balloons. Person with more balloons in their pants is getting $20. We'll be very quick with this one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. This side here. 4, 5. 7. There you go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Close. 10, 11. 11. It looks like 11.
13.
Dang.
14.
We got ourselves a winner. That's it, guys. Okay. Go 2.
There you go, Brett. Dang.
Move with your hands if you want to.
Hurry up, Brett.
Oh, this is a tough game. Roll a 6, looking good.
Don't give up, Brett.
get one. Going to 5, you're not doing this. 7, that's the game. In terms of the cup, these are here to adjust. Out and over, into the blue cup. Blue cup. There you go. Next 2 push up, Amber. Next 2 push up. Oh, come on, David. Come
You
on.
got it, Ben. Come on, Ben. Look at that.
Yes, one
Look
more.
at that accuracy.
He doesn't even use his hands to get up.
Use your hands to serve it.
All right, Ben.
We got a winner.
Dang.
Hey,
he's
sticking your shirt in your pockets and apron that just keeps you
Who would've
going.
thought?
30 seconds of this.
Sitting in
Ready to
hematology.
get
Yeah.
You're walking home. Ready there, Amber? 1,
Go
2.
Ben!
Go for it. Let's see how he does. And he's off. Bring up, feet in. Grab.
Grab some tins.
Stop.
Stuff that shit. Oh, there's a 10 right there.
Right there, there's the tennis.
Is there another 10 seconds? 10
Go.
seconds. Keep it going.
That big stuff.
5, 4, 3,
There's a pot. There's a little pocket.
1. That's it.
Oh, the bunch went in there right there. Ah.
All right, Benjamin, come on over. Right here to the center. It's tough, isn't it? It's tough. Start to drop it inside the bucket here. And just pick it up on the side there.
That's a good chunk right there.
Once you got that empty, you can take it off here and take the next one underneath. Make sure you got it.
That's where to keep your money in the bank.
Great. So
You would never
there,
know.
if you just got the seals in place against the pile here.
What if he just took his hat off and just like held it?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
like all
8,
dollars.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
We made like-
It is 20. Throw the extra inside there. Okay, throw the 5s inside. You take this 20. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Dude, I would have looked at my
27, that's
sweatshirt
gonna be good.
just got on there.
That's what I was saying earlier.
30,
That's what you should have.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36, 41, 46, 51, 56, 66, 76, plus the 20 minute earlier, 86, 96 bucks an hour. That's not bad. Let's hear it for Benjamin. Thank you so much for playing. Happy birthday.